Bonafide Hustler here, and today, a general thrift vlog. Gotta ship something out this morning. I wanna show you some stuff from garage sales. Let's get right to the video. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house. And today, the first thing is we gotta ship off something in a big box. That's the first thing. Follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can also get this free guide which will teach you how to flip 50 items from garage sales and thrift stores. It's a great guide. First link down below. Go pick it up. Okay, so let's get in the goddamn garage and see the mayhem. Oh my gosh. There's like crap everywhere. I'll show you some things from garage sales. Here's one of them, but we'll talk about that later. Here's what's going out. Yeah, there's a bike in here. It's a bike I got free for a motorcycle, or I got 2 free bikes for a motorcycle, and I got paid $1,500 for the motorcycle. I really wanted to sell the motorcycle for $2,500, no takers. Everyone was lowballing me like $2,000. It was a dirt bike actually. And so, yeah, I decided to go with a $1,500 cash offer with 2 bikes. One of the bikes I sold for $1,199, but then I walked with about $800. And then the other bike was sitting here, sold for $700. So it's in this box. It's a Klein Attitude mountain bike. Actually a pretty rare mountain bike, pretty neat. But yeah, it's sitting here. I just boxed it up, $158 in shipping. So with $700 and eBay taking, I think, a $90 cut, you can do the math. I'll walk with like 4 something. Nothing super crazy, but nevertheless, pretty awesome. But that's how I acquired the bike. Let's get this thing to UPS. Then I'll show you some cool things that I found from garage sales this past weekend. Got a lot of cool things to show you. Also, we have some climbing shoes. Garage sale, I think $5, maybe $10. Should sell between 50 to 100. These are La Sportiva, great climbing shoe brand. These are called the Treadmaster. Love them, pretty decent. Look like they've been used about 3 to 4 times. But yeah, these are the kind of things you'll put in a little USPS shoebox. That's how you get it shipped off. Got an Indo board at a garage sale for $15. That'll probably sell locally between 60 and 100. This is a balancing kind of board. It's been around for about, I don't know, almost 2 decades. Real good for people that want to practice their balance and their core strength. So right there, Indo board. There are 2 variations of it. One's a much longer looking one, but this one right here, you balance that part on this. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Also got this Trek Pre-Caliber. It's a cool bike. This was, I believe, around 12 to 13 bucks from a Goodwill. Should sell for around 30. Should sell for around 80 to 100 locally. It's got the newer Trek logo. They're now called Pre-Calibers instead of Trek Jet for the most part. So Pre-Caliber is what you want to look for right now. Trek Jets are good too, but this is a nice pink one. Doesn't look completely torn up. So yeah. Another thing I found from garage sales for $10 was this GT Aerostream belt-driven bike right here. This was $10. It needed some air in the tires. I'm going to replace the grips on it because it's not that great. 3-speed internal Nexus hub with a basket. It's probably going to sell between $1 and $150. And the tires are in really good condition too. What you think? Hey, what you think? Yeah, this is made by GT. It's called the Aerostream. So there's a car right there leaving, a little black BMW. Just sold a Ceres Bones 2 bike rack. I found this thing on the side of the road for free. I just sold it for $40, so that was cool. So found it like a month ago. It was bulk pickup in my neighborhood, meaning where the houses get to put anything that's what they think is trash. That's bigger than what belongs in a trash can. They can put it outside on their sidewalks, and the bulk pickup trucks just come one day and pick up everything. So I saw this bike rack sitting out there, and it was not put together right and everything, so I re-put it together. So I put it back together, which took like 2 minutes, and then sold it a month later. So that was nice. $40, I'll take it. All right, looks like Christmas in the Hustler household. In here is actually a fork I bought last weekend. I'll show you those forks here in a second, like mountain biking forks. But there's a fork in here that, I bought a bunch of stuff in a frame and some forks for $25. Well, one of those forks is in here. It sold for $90. It's chilling in there. I gotta get that sent out. We have a jacket in here that my dad gave me while I was in California. It's a Territory Ahead, super cool jacket. This one sold for I think $139 or maybe $119 or something like that. So that's what's in there. That's going out today. Just trying to make more sales, when you feel the economy tightening, you can kind of feel it in eBay and all that kind of stuff, so don't worry. I think it's an opportunity to just put as many good things in there, because when things turn around, things sell. But yeah, I can feel it in the antique booth. I can feel it on eBay. Can you guys feel it? Comment down below. It's just the way it is. And who knows when it's going to alleviate, or who knows when it's going to turn around or whatever. There's Christmas coming up. People want to spend, on new goods typically. So a little used good market might be kind of weird. But I'm thinking in the fall the antique booth is going to pick up considerably. And hopefully eBay does as well. Whoosh. What's up, little girl? Okay, right here we have a blanket that is going out. I think I'm $10 into the blanket, sold for 70. Going out to Florida or something like that. But yeah, there's a wool blanket, Johnson Mills wool blanket, not a Pendleton or anything like that. But hey, blankets sell, so that's pretty awesome. Now, something else sold today that's really cool, and I'll take you into the garage later in the day because we got to pack it up and get it out of here. I just got it last weekend for $5. Sold for $155 just now, so I'll show you that here in a second. All right, so a couple things sold yesterday on eBay. Pretty neat stuff. We have a cat sling bag right here. This is a really good camera, camera bag manufacturer. And this one's really nice, mint condition, nice dividers are all in there. Totally customizable, I mean, all the way through the entire pack. Nice big opening, so you could definitely store a couple lenses plus a body plus more stuff. Hell, if you even want to put a drone in here plus a mini camera, you could. This thing sold for $55, which is nice. I think I'm like 10 or 11 into it. Also, last weekend, this was $5. Authentic N64 24 cartridge holder. Great condition. Sticker in awesome condition, you can see. This one sold for around $150 yesterday on an offer. Time to get it all packed up and shipped off. All right, let's see what we get into later in this video. Last weekend I got these forks. One of the forks sold in that box, but here are the other ones right here. We have a Marzocchi Dirt Jumper, I think 2, a Dirt Jumper 3 back there. This dual crown fork right here. They're all by Marzocchi and they're all bomber forks. Marzocchi has these little cool arches in their forks, looks like an M. Anyway, so, I posted this one for over 200 on eBay. This one's right around 200 on eBay. This one I posted for like 3+ on eBay. There's even this Dirt Jumper frame right here. All this stuff was $25 at a garage sale last weekend. I already sold one of the forks for $90. So, it's pretty cool. I'm sitting on, nice money right here. Also at Savers yesterday, check this out. Vintage JanSport, day pack with the, compartments on the side as well. So when this thing's fully filled up, it's going to have the side things filled up too. So it's not just a normal JanSport backpack where it has like the leather bottom and it's just this part right here. This one's the more, kind of bigger one. This is kind of like the larger one that has compartments on the side. Pretty neat. So this was $6.99 at a Savers yesterday. You can see right there. Should sell for right around 100 or slightly over $100. When you're dealing with bags like this, make sure you test every zipper and you check it out because bags to bucks are just really good things to hustle, and follow all the straps down to where they are, on the bag. Make sure there's no stitch issues, right? Looks really good all the way to the top because they tend to have issues up here. This one's in great condition. No discoloration, no snags, tears, and definitely no crazy, interior flaws or anything like that. It was a bag to buy, so bags to bucks. Not too bad. You know what? I actually want to make another vlog, so let's end this one here. And if you like these videos, I'm actually going to sell a bike later on today. Oh, I don't even know what. I think I'm free into this bike. I don't think I even paid anything for it. So should sell for around $180. And there's something else that's going to sell later on. Whatever. That should make it to the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.